Memphis City Council held a meeting today to discuss tax revenue tied to the xAI data center. Meanwhile, the Greater Memphis Chamber hosted an asked and answered webinar to explain why the permit for xAI's gas turbines was approved. ABC 24's Shakina Davis reports why city leaders want Memphians to see the benefits from the supercomputer.
Yes, Pepper, the approved permit allows xAI to install 15 gas-powered turbines at its Memphis facility for backup power. But for many in the community, this feels like a step backward. Environmental advocates and local leaders say the decision ignored public pushback and raises concerns about air quality and public health.
We don't defend people, we defend projects.
The Greater Memphis Chamber is standing behind a project by Elon Musk xAI that includes 15 methane gas-powered turbines. Chief Government Affairs Officer Bobby White says the project required no taxpayer-funded incentives or zoning changes, just standard permits.
This is a project that we've worked really hard on and ensured that we've done everything that we can to ensure that they are, quite frankly, moving forward in a way that fits with what we expect of every company, which is to essentially follow the rules and abide by existing policy.
But the NAACP is pushing back. In a statement, Director of Environmental and Climate Justice Aubrey Connor said, quote, "This decision ignores the community pushback. We believe the health department could do more. We are still committed to holding xAI and the health department accountable." White argues the turbines meet some of the lowest emission standards in the country and calls this one of the largest private investments in Memphis.
This is not a chemical company. This is a supercomputer.
He added that while the permit allows for 24/7 operation, the turbines are intended for backup use only, and the permitting process included modeling for worst-case scenarios. The city also plans to use property tax revenue from the development to support neighborhoods nearby. Mayor Paul Young says the goal is to make sure the project benefits the community.
Figuring out how we can turn this project into a win-win for our city and for the immediate community around it. Not just welcoming the innovation, but really making sure that it works for the people of our communities.
The Shelby County Health Department will monitor emissions, requiring xAI to self-report fuel usage and emission levels twice a year. The facility must also report any turbine malfunctions during startup or shutdown. White says the project is expected to generate a significant property tax benefit, one he calls huge for the city. In the studio, I'm Shakina Davis.